So good evening, everyone. So let us start the meeting. So Hafsa, we are very much excited to know about you people. So I'm starting with Hafsa. Like, what is your future goals?
Future plans.
I haven't really figured them out, but I would very much like to, pursue higher degrees. I mean, higher studies, and go on to get a degree in PhD. So I want to do that, and yeah, till now, pretty much this is my goal. So it can change. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, it can change in 4 years.
Yeah.
First of all, I have a goal to get in mechanical to make automobiles, machines, models. Then I didn't get seat in mechanical. That's why now I joined to food. My goal was changed to become a food officer to give good food to the people.
Okay, wow.
Okay, nice.
So did you involved in any of the ESL projects?
Yeah, no, just I joined in digital marketing only.
Okay, so how do you feel about the project?
Just I was learning about the products. Shravan sir said an online course. I was learning about it.
So you're enjoying the project?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Hafsa.
I was showing much interest to learn it.
Okay, so nice. Then Hafsa, like in what projects you are involved?
So I am currently involved in Pro2 and Kingsman Associates. But with Pro2, I was facing a problem. I have a MacBook and it is a Microsoft application and it is not available on Mac OS. So I have to download it on a Windows laptop, and no one has that in my house. We all use MacBooks. There is one, but it's too old, and I'll try to download it on that.
Okay. So you're taking 2 projects?
Yeah.
Okay. So what about our upcoming exams? Like,
do you all prepare strategy? Any strategy?
I don't believe in preparing strategies for exams. I just one day before the exam I take everything, but I don't think I can do that now. So let's see.
What about you, Madhu?
I don't have any strategies.
Okay. Yeah. So during exams, you are you'll be continuing the projects, or else you'll be stopping it?
I'll be like, okay, you go on.
Both of them.
Madhu. Yeah.
Yeah, I will be continuing both.
Okay.
But major preference to exams.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
So Hafsa?
Yeah, I'll be doing both, but I'll be just touching the projects, not too much detail those days. So yeah.
Okay.
Managing both of them.
Yeah.
So what kind of weather you like cold or or else cold or sunrise?
A bit of sun, not too hot, not too cold.
Okay.
Moderate.
Yeah.
So Madhu, what about you?
I like cold.
Oh.
I like winter season so much.
Okay. So what kind of food you like, Madhu?
Yeah, mostly I like chicken biryani.
Non-veg favorites.
Yes.
Okay. And Hafsa, what about you?
Yeah, same, and plus Italian, pizza, pasta.
Yeah, me love
wow. Don't you like Chinese?
Not much.
Okay.
Okay, do you guys love street foods? Hafsa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, like pani puri, like that?
Yeah.
Okay, both of them like it? Like, what do you
Yes.
prefer? Like, if we have chicken biryani and street food, so what you both will prefer?
Both.
Okay.
Very difficult to choose one in both of
Yeah.
them.
So, what are your thoughts on ESL?
Yeah, it's really great. I think it has opened up, us up to a lot of opportunities, and yeah, I'm grateful to be a part of it.
Okay. And Madhu?
Yeah, ESL is a platform where students can learn anything. They got every opportunities. They will they can see hidden talents of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Which attracts, yeah, tell me.
yeah.
Nivedita, you can
You
continue.
can continue.
Yeah. How do you all manage your time? Time management is important, and how do you all manage it?
Right now, I'm facing some difficulty in managing time because
Yeah.
we've just been exposed to studies plus two projects and all, and I haven't really started Pro 2 till now. So it's just studies and one project right now. So,
Okay.
but this is just the beginning, right? We'll learn as we go, I think.
Yeah.
Yes. And Madhu?
Madhu? Yeah, Madhu.
Yeah, it seems to be sometimes harder to time management in both
Yeah.
during classes and to be involved in projects. Sometimes one of them thing will be cut.
Yeah.
Any one of them will be going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, where did you guys studied intermediate?
I'm from Narayana Junior College, Naranguda branch.
Okay.
Okay.
And Madhu?
And I am from Narayana Junior College, Hyderabad branch.
Three of them are from
I
Narayan.
think, yeah, I think I'm the only one who is not belongs to Narayana and Sri Chaitanya.
Yeah.
Gayatri, yeah?
No, it's a non-corporate college, which is Ascent Academy in Hyderabad, LB Nagar.
Okay.
Okay.
I think
Many
you
of
people
them
cannot.
this year, many of them are from corporate colleges, Narayana Chaitanya.
Yeah.
Yes.
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 So, like,
And
Hafsa,
in our food technology, the domination of the girls is very high.
yeah, in
Boys is
chemical.
4 and the 10 for girls.
In chemical, yeah, in also chemical, there are 26 girls and only 15 boys
Yeah.
in our chemical, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have more girls.
Uh, girls majority is.
Yeah. Harichandana, like you, do you want to say some more points?
About what? I mean, asking
Yeah, like,
questions or
continue or like, can I?
you can proceed.
Okay.
If you have, yeah, you can. Both of them will continue the questions now.
Okay. So,
Yes.
Hafsa, like, where did you enjoy the most in school or in college? Like, even though Narayana is we will have so much tough situations, but we will be.
Yeah. I actually in Narayan also I was in the top batch, IIT batch. So there was a lot of leisure for us. There were study hours for 3 hours and also, but we had a lot of leisure also. We could go. We used to go out of the college and break and eat pani puri and come back like that. So
Wow.
yeah.
They will allow them, like, allow you to go out.
Yeah, they allowed us.
Wow. Who allowed you, like JLs or watchman uncles?
Yeah, both.
Wow, so nice. Our college is so strict. Like we will be there. Like we completed our second year in outskirts, near airport side. So we don't have time to go outside. Yeah, Madhu, and what about you?
I like the Narayana hostel like so much.
Oh,
the best moment in my life is during first year hostel, intermediate. They didn't give the leave for Happy New Year. We do a fast for 1 day. Then they give us holiday
Oh,
Yeah.
to go out.
So, like, did you enjoy it in school?
Yeah, of course. That's
Okay. So, Madhu?
schooling. Yeah.
Yeah, like some people will have more memories in college rather than school. So I'm asking,
Yeah.
oh,
like,
it's equal for
Yeah.
me. Like seriously, both were memorable.
yeah, like because in Narayana we will be sharing food and we all together like sleep together, na. So we'll be having more memories. Like,
I was not in hostel.
okay, you're day scholar.
Yeah.
Okay. So Madhu, what about you?
In college, we sleep with 10 beds, 20 members.
Oh
It's
my God.
every night. It's so fantastic. We sleep at 2 o'clock, and we will wake up at 5:30, 6. Some of the students, our friends, are directly going into the class without brushing and coming to brush at 10 o'clock. The school life is also one of the best memory.
Some people cannot forget the schooling days.
Yeah,
Yes.
nothing can beat that, seriously.
Yeah.
If you get like superpowers, then like what you want to, like, you can take your like what we say, I'm not getting that word, like you can take your favorite things or else you can serve for the country. So what you take in, like, if you have two options, then what you will choose?
So, of course, there will be many opportunities to take what we like, but serving, you know,
Yeah.
so serving, yeah.
Okay, so nice. And Madhu, what about you?
Serving for the country. I'm always choose that one.
Yeah, so nice.
So
We
nice.
Yeah. I think like ESL is also one of the main platform like to serve the many people like through education.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then how did you all relieve your stress?
I will be listening to music only.
Okay.
My favorite music. Whenever I listen to my favorite music, I will relieve stress.
Hafsa?
Yeah, I just watch TV or anything like that.
Okay. Everyone used to listen music and watch TV.
Like they like to watch.
Uh,
Yeah. So what are your hobbies, Madhu?
Hobbies are watching movies, playing,
Okay.
sometimes reading. That's all.
Okay. Hafsa?
Oh, chess and yeah, watching crime series and like that.
Okay.
oh,
Okay. So what is your favorite movie, Hafsa? A movie or series? You can say anything. Or you can say both.
Oh, that's tough. Okay, so okay,
you can list off many, not only one.
Yeah.
yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's Ford versus Ferrari. There's The Martian. There are Harry Potter series, all of them,
Oh.
and yeah, the books and movies both. Yeah.
Hafsa, do you read Harry Potter or you have watched it?
Oh, both.
All the webs. Both. Okay. Then Madhu.
I like the Avengers series, Marvel.
Oh.
I didn't miss anything. Marvel I like the most. And in Telugu, I am a big fan of Power Star Pawan Kalyan.
Yeah, who is your favorite hero, Hafsa? I think you don't watch Telugu movies, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I don't. I not much. But
Then
that is also a hard question, you know. I mean, So
Then what is your last movie, Hafsa, in Telugu? What did you watch?
I think so. Nothing.
Bahubali.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
I think so. That is also Hindi version, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh,
What about you?
Yeah. What about you?
oh,
no, I don't watch movies. My brother, he will be watching English series a lot, and also he'll be doing movies and everything. But I don't watch movies. I only watch favorite heroes movies like Nani, like that. Natural star Nani, like that. I'll be watching their movies.
yeah, same. I don't watch. Yeah, I don't watch. No, I don't watch. Not much more, but I just sit. I just sit calmly. I mean, uh, I couldn't see in a TV or I couldn't listen music. I just sat like a statue.
Okay, so what is your favorite sports, Madhu?
Cricket.
Oh,
Cricket. Same.
cricket.
I like cricket.
Who is your favorite player?
MS Dhoni.
Dhoni. Oh.
Oh.
Connecting point here. Yeah, for me also MS Dhoni.
Yeah, for me also. But I don't watch cricket. I mean, I couldn't understand anything.
Yeah, I too don't watch, but I love that. I love the journey of MS Dhoni. So I'm big fan of him.
So I watch all the matches. I follow everything. Yeah.
Uh,
Did you played any Hafsa, did you played?
I hate playing sports. I just like watching them.
Okay.
like, do you guys love cooking? Like you help your
Yeah, and
dad in your home?
helping like it would be more like obstructing them. So I don't try to help.
Oh,
So so whatever I do it like separately. Like small snacks and stuff. Not that much.
okay. Madhu, what about you? Like you'll be helping your dad.
I will do when I am alone. I'm much interested of doing cooking when I am alone only. If at home, I will not do anything. Just simply sitting and eating. That's all. When I am alone, I will do variety of dishes. If it is tasty or waste, I will eat it. That's all. It is
Okay.
made by me. I can eat it.
Oh,
So do
Just
you?
everything credits goes to YouTube only. YouTube.
Yeah,
Seeing YouTube
YouTube.
and doing everything.
Yeah.
yeah.
Like, do you guys have siblings?
Yeah, I have two younger sisters.
Hmm. Okay, two younger sisters. Okay.
Yeah.
You are the last one.
Oh, I'm the
Oh, you are the
eldest.
Sorry, elder.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. You are the eldest. Okay.
Yeah.
You have two small sisters. Yeah.
Madhu?
Yeah, I have younger brother. He's studying 8th class.
Okay. Nice. So what do you think about our OUCT faculty? About their teaching and everything?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they are all good. I mean, yeah.
And Madhu?
One of the best faculty. I think I was preferred to OU because of that reason only.
Oh,
A
Oh,
huge library, best professors,
yeah.
number of PhD research. That's why I preferred OU.
Yeah, me too. That is what attracted me to also.
Yeah. And I also, apart from studies, we do have like many activities, cultural and everything. Like not only cultural, but also like see, we are learning many new things and we are involved in many projects. Like that is one of the best thing in OUCT. Like, what is your most funniest moment?
or what is the best joke you have ever heard?
Yeah.
Moment actually, I prank my second sister a lot. So once what I did, I made her search my bookshelves for a certain book which I did not have, and she searched it for like half an hour or so, and then she came to me. She's like, "It's nowhere." So I said, "Oh, sorry, I forgot it at the bookstore." And my mom was like, "Why do you have to be so mean?" So, yeah, many things like this.
Like, did you ever stolen food from your siblings? No.
That's so common. I mean, I don't really, yeah.
Like, because of that, you had many fightings like that, scoldings from your mom.
I think it's a common issue if you have siblings like sisters or brothers.
Yeah.
I'm the eldest, so they can't do anything
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah. Elder ones, like they have to take all the responsibility. Yeah. Madhu, what about you?
Funniest moment means is there no funny? Every more funniest moments is there, but I didn't remember anything funniest moment now.
Okay.
With my friends only, number of funniest moments with my friends, 10 friends. They are doing jokes with me.
Okay. Like you both study in Narayana, na? Like you'll be having long distance friends, like or best friends. So how do you feel about that? Like, do you have long distance best friends like that or friends?
Yeah,
Long distance means?
Like
I mean, other states or other states.
Oh, okay,
other
okay.
places? Yeah.
yeah, like other places, like we don't meet them every day.
Hmm. It will take more hours to go there like that. Yeah. Hafsa, what about you? Like, do you have such type of friends? Like it will
Uh,
take 3 hours to go like that.
no, they are not so long distance. They are in Hyderabad only. Yeah, but still, we all connect through Instagram and stuff. We have groups on WhatsApp, Instagram, like that. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. And Madhu, what about you?
I had a friend in Karnataka and Chennai.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, we will meet once in a year or twice in a year. That's all. They are
Oh,
come to own village.
okay.
oh.
So,
And
yeah, Harichandana.
yeah,
Yeah.
what is the highest pressure situation you have ever been, which you have faced? More highest pressure situation.
You know, these, the results only of these examinations, you know, JEE mains and advanced and BITSAT and
Yeah.
Oh, you wrote many exams. Nice.
I got also, but I didn't want to live in a hostel.
Oh,
So I
wow.
took
Oh,
into Osmania.
Okay. And Madhu, what about you?
Results, only results. During results, we have a lot of tension.
Yeah, only results. Okay. So, what you do when you feel low? Like when you are upset or when you.
when you,
So,
yeah,
what do you do?
I
when you
will call to
lost
my
your
friends and talk to them.
confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I will
for
call to my
me,
friends
like,
and talk to them.
yeah, spending time with my family will,
Yeah.
like, you know,
Mm.
re-energize me.
Yeah. That one is true. Mm, and actually, I'm not getting anything to ask, but a lot of questions are there, but like, I didn't remember anything. So, what do you think about Shravan sir, who is the head of ESL?
Oh, he's fantastic. You know, like in such a less time, he has influenced us a lot. I don't think anyone has inspired me this much in such a
Yeah,
short time, you know.
yeah,
And the amount of effort he's putting in guiding us, like making us move forward and opening us up to opportunities and providing us mentors. He's doing so much, and really he's very fantastic. I mean,
Yeah, he's amazing.
Yes.
Madhu, what about you?
He is one of the best person in my life. I met him. He is one of the best person, I think.
Yeah,
He do everything for us, OUCT, for our students.
yeah,
To be honest, we couldn't
always-
even we couldn't even imagine that there will be a Shravan sir in OUCT like ESL.
yeah. So we are running out of time. Like, what are your suggestions or your comments or any views you can say about this session? I will start with Madhu. You can say.
There is no comments to suggest. Everything is good. Yeah, you asked better.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
And one another who Harichandana is senior or junior? I don't know.
Oh,
Our class only.
yeah.
That's why I said you to on the video. Harichandran.
Yeah.
She's our classmate only.
Okay.
She's from chemical.
Like
Yeah, I'm from chemical.
she is also asked well done.
Yeah. Okay. Is there any like what we say? Any mistakes we have done while asking?
no,
there
you
nothing?
both are doing great. I really enjoyed connecting with you all, and yeah, let's connect like this.
Yeah. We should continue this.
Yeah, you both are doing great. Seriously. Yeah.
Thank you, Hafsa. You said that you are
Thank you, Hafsa.
introvert. You are introvert, right? On that.
I'm actually between. I'm not too introvert, not too extrovert.
Yeah. Again, moderate.
Yeah.
So, what do you feel like? You feel like we interacted much, being an introvert.
No. I'm telling you, I'm not an introvert. Seriously, I enjoyed these type of meetings and all. Yeah, it was really good. I enjoyed.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
If it's offline, we can, yeah.
Yeah. Continue.
If it's offline, we can interact more.
Yeah. Yeah, so thank you all. Thank you Hafsa and Madhu for attending this meeting. And it was a great day to interact with you and have a nice day for all of you.
Yeah, thank you Nivedita and Harichandana for conducting this. Yeah, it was great.
Welcome. Yeah.
Have a great
And
day.
thank you for attending the session.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
We are happy that we interacted with you. Bye.
Yeah, same.